I'm here with Pete. Hello, Pete.
Hello.
He's not in this video, but I'm trying. Whatever. For God's sake,
Millionaire's trifle.
there is a cookie. There is cookies in that I added, not in that, and it's somewhere again.
As the price.
Yeah. Oh. Now, wait, Billy. Now that I've crunched it down. Oh, actually, love the coffee. Yeah, I down that faster.
You know.
If you hear any music, there's somebody. I'm not gonna say the name, but there's somebody in here that likes all sorts of bands. But this person is a complete fan. I'm not gonna say the name. I'm allowed to say this person's name, but not the other person's name. Okay, you gotta understand that. By the way, I do this trend on YouTube. So have you heard of English? Have you heard that meme called English or Spanish? Where you just so basically what it is a guy invented it, and when you say it, you have to stand up. I did that. Okay. Who is that? That way. Is that Lennon? Okay, so you know that's the one who gave the San CD advertisement. By the way, this is downstairs. The whole room is it. They took down something there. Okay, Lenon's here. I'm recording the video. He's here.
No, he's 10 off now. Totally.
I'm gonna go now. Goodbye.